Nature of the worldly. Worldly people are in a state of chronic intoxication, mad with woman and gold. They are insensible to spiritual ideas. That is why I love the youngsters not yet stained by woman and gold. They are good receptacles, and may become useful in God's work. But as for worldly people, you lose almost everything while trying to eliminate the worthless stuff in them. They are like bony fish, almost all bones and very little meat. Worldly people are like mangoes struck by hail. If you want to offer them to God, you have to purify them by sprinkling them with Ganges water. Even then they are seldom used in the temple worship. If you are to use them at all, you have to apply Brahmajnana. That is to say, you have to persuade yourself that it is God alone who has become everything. A Theosophist gentleman arrived with Aswini Kumar Dutta and the son of Bihari Baduri. The Mukherjee brothers entered the room and saluted Sri Ramakrishna. Arrangements were being made for devotional music in the courtyard. At the first beat of the drum the master left the room and went there. The devotees followed him. Bhavanath introduced Aswini to the master. The master introduced him to M. Aswini and M. were talking together when Narendra arrived. Sri Ramakrishna said to Aswini, "This is Narendra." Quote,